Hello loves, you're welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be sharing my deep protein treatment hair mask for my natural hair. It's been a while since I gave my hair that treatment, and so in today's video I decided to prepare one for my hair. Usually this is supposed to be prepared every 6 weeks depending on how much your hair has been through or what your hair has experienced lately. If you know you do braid outs and twist and all of that very frequently, then you should get to do this also very frequently, as well as twist has proven to damage your hair cuticles. So it's very important that if you wear twist a lot on your natural hair, you should also deep protein treat your hair regularly as well. So in today's video I'm going to be preparing one, and with me here I have one avocado which I'm just going to go ahead to prep right now while I bring the rest of my ingredients. The next ingredient I have with me right here is 1 egg. I have olive oil, and then I have with me my red palm oil. Now if you've not tried any of these ingredients before for your natural hair, then you are missing a whole lot, most especially this red palm oil. If you've not tried it before, girl, you are missing a whole lot. You need to get on this game. So quickly, before we move ahead into the video proper, I'm just going to go ahead to welcome all of you guys to this video. If you're a new subscriber, you're very much welcome to this space. Here I share natural hair care videos, hairstyles that you can rock your natural hair with, and I also go ahead to share tips to care for your natural hair. So if you find this very interesting, please go ahead to hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up. To all of my returning subscribers, you guys are most welcomed as well. Thank you very much for stopping by on this video again. I really do appreciate you coming back to my channel. So let's move ahead in this video while I go ahead to share with you guys the benefits of each of the ingredients. So first of all, I went ahead to put in all of the ingredients into my blender. I added my avocado, my egg, my olive oil, my red palm oil into my blender, and then I'm just going to go ahead to give a quick blend of this. So the benefits of our first ingredient, avocado. Avocado is a great source of biotin. It contains potassium, magnesium, which helps seals cuticle cells, thereby smoothing and adding shine to your hair. Prevents hair damage. It reduces dandruff, aids the detangling of your hair, protects hair from damage. So the benefit of our next ingredient, which is the egg that we added. Egg supports hair growth. Protein in egg serves as a nutrition boosting hair growth. Egg restricts hair loss by strengthening the hair follicle. Egg enhances hair elasticity. Egg adds shine to the hair. Egg fosters repair of damaged hair. Egg also improves the texture of our natural hair. To the benefit of our next ingredient, which is red palm oil. Red palm oil is an antioxidant rich in vitamin E. It hydrates the hair. It has anti-inflammatory benefits. It stimulates a healthy scalp, moisturizes and strengthens the hair. It contains vitamin E, tocopherol, which can help shield your hair and scalp from sun exposure. It prevents premature graying of the hair and prevents hair loss. And to the benefit of our very last ingredient, olive oil. Olive oil nourishes and conditions the hair. It acts as a great moisturizer and prevents hair dryness. It soothes the scalp. It reduces DHT production. Now, DHT is an hormone found mostly in women. DHT is also known as dihydrotestosterone, which is found in the skin and hair follicles and also the prostate. The actions of DHT and the sensitivity of hair follicles to DHT is what results in hair loss. And our lovely natural hair friend olive oil helps to reduce the excessive production of DHT. Olive oil prevents damage, it reduces hair breakage as well. So this is the major reason why I combined all of these ingredients for this deep protein treatment for my hair, because it's been a while and my hair has been experiencing so many things, though it has not been breaking often because I've been doing other treatments to handle hair breakage, but then my hair has been through a lot and it needs this tender loving care from this conditioner. When blending your ingredients together, you could also go ahead to add some water into the mix to help it blend smoother and better right here. So this is what my hair looks like as at the time I took down my braids that I had on. I'm going to be using this deep protein treatment as a pre-poo for my hair because I felt like using it after washing my hair wouldn't really be necessary, since it contains a lot of oils which I will not have to re-shampoo again. So I just decided to use this as a pre-poo for my natural hair. So I'm just going to go ahead to apply this to my hair in sections, gently detangling every strand, every section, applying it, ensuring that it gets to every part of my hair, and also ensuring that it gets to the roots of my hair to go work on the roots of my hair and also on the strands of my hair as well. So you want to gently apply this to every part of your hair, and also do well to massage this into every section of your hair when applying this. And also not forgetting your edges, your nape areas and problem areas in your hair. Currently, I think the only problem areas in my hair right now is my edges, because they are trying to regrow back. So those are the areas where I'm concentrating a little bit more on when applying treatments to my hair. So do not forget your problem areas. Now, your problem areas are those areas you are finding difficulties with growing. It could be your edges, it could be the back of your head, it could be, which is your nape area, it could be the middle of your hair. Wherever part of your hair that you are finding issues with growing, ensure that whatever treatment you are applying to your hair, you concentrate more on that area of your hair. Ensure that treatment gets to that area. That area is well saturated from the roots down to the tip of your hair. Now, you also do not want to forget the tip of your hair. The tip of your hair, it's the oldest part of your hair. So when you're applying any treatments to your hair, you want to apply treatments very well to that part of your hair. You want to ensure that that part of your hair is well saturated with any treatment you are applying to your hair, be it sprays, be it deep conditioners, be it protein treatments, whatever you're applying to your hair. Ensure that that part of your hair is not left out. So I'm just going to gently massage this into my hair, and I'm going to twist that up, and that's basically what I'm going to be doing for every section of my hair. After which I'm going to go ahead to cover my hair up for 30 minutes. You could do 30 minutes, you could do an hour. I think I ended up doing about an hour, or even a little bit more than an hour, because I got really busy and I forgot that I had something on my hair that I needed to wash out. So you could actually do as much as you want to. It's basically the same thing. No matter how long you leave it in your hair, once it has worked on the hair for that particular duration of time, it has worked. There's really nothing that it's going to do for your hair again. So just to mimic the effect of a heat cap, I'm going to be putting a plastic bag over my head. I'm trying to do some DIY trick for you guys, because I mean, not everybody can afford a heat cap. So if you can't afford an electric heat cap, you could go ahead to put a plastic bag over your head. You could use a bonnet as well to cover your hair, just to mimic the effect of using a heat cap, and then leave it to sit in your hair for an hour to 2 hours, 30 minutes to 2 hours, as long as you can leave it on your hair. And after that, you could go ahead to wash it off. And when washing, that's when you're going to focus more on detangling your hair. You shouldn't do detangling with a comb at this point, but when you're washing your hair, after washing, rinsing this out of your hair and shampooing your hair, obviously when you're applying your rinse out conditioners, then you could go ahead to use a comb through your hair, because obviously at that time your hair will be feeling really soft and hydrated as well, for you to be able to pass a comb through it, and then you will not lose much hair. Guys, to tell you the truth, when I finished washing my hair, you need to see how much hair I lost. I am going to show you guys how much hair I lost. This is how much hair I lost after everything. Please, if you found this video very helpful, please go ahead to like, subscribe to my channel. Bye.